Namaste, I am Megha Khurana. Welcome in Yoga with Megha Khurana. So let's start practice. First of all, sit in any comfortable posture in which you feel comfortable, either in Ardha Padmasana or you can sit in cross-leg position. So inhale, raise your hand up, look up, stretch up. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your head. Inhale, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your hand. Inhale, stretch up, look up. Stretch up maximum and stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your hand. Interlock your finger backside and stretch your arms backside. Stretch up and relax. Now stretch up and relax. Stretch up. Take your hands backside and relax. Up and relax. Inhale up and relax. Again, interlock your finger backside and stretch your arms up. And relax. Stretch up and move forward. And relax. Now rotate your shoulder. Now take a strap and fold it. Now Now hold it and stretch your arms up. Exhale, relax. Inhale up. Exhale, relax. Inhale up. Exhale, relax. Inhale up. Arms try to backside. Exhale, relax. Inhale up. Exhale, relax. Up. Exhale, relax. Inhale up. Exhale, relax. Now we do side stretching. So open your arm and move toward right side. Now left side. Feel stretch on your sides while doing this pose. Now we do some twisting pose. So inhale, twist backside, look back. Look back to your shoulder. Inhale center. Now other side. Inhale, look back. Exhale center. Now we do butterfly pose. So come in butterfly asana. Flap your legs and then move forward or bend forward. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, spine straight. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we use yoga wheel. So Lie down on your wheel and take a strap. Inhale, bend backward. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale, bend backward. Exhale forward. Now bend backward. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend forward. Catch your legs and bend forward. Now catch your wheel and inhale, hip up, exhale, down. Inhale, hip up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Inhale, hip up, exhale, down. Inhale, hip up, exhale, hip down. Inhale, hip up, exhale, down. Now catch your wheel and bend backward and elbow tries to on floor and then straight your legs. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come forward and look forward. Now again we catch wheel, then elbows try to on floor and lift your hip up and hip down. Again hip up and hip down. Again hip up hip down, hip up, hip down, hip up, down, and relax. We try one more time. So lie down on your wheel, catch your wheel, elbows try to on floor, and lift your hip up, hip down, hip up, hip down, hip up, hip down, hip up, hip down, hip up, hip down. Now bend forward, catch your toes and bend forward. Adjust your hip. Go for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 1. Now come in cat and cow pose. Inhale up, exhale, look your navel. 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 Inhale, lift your right leg up, exhale, move leg forward. Inhale up, exhale, forward. Do this 5 times. Now bring your leg between the hand and raise your arm up. Now we do lizard pose. So if you feel comfortable in dropping your knee, you can drop your knee. So if you are okay, then lift your knee up and stay here. And if you are more comfortable, then you can place your elbows down and stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Again come in cat and cow pose. Now lift, we do same with left leg. So raise your leg up and move forward. Touch your elbow. Inhale up, exhale forward. Do this 5 times. Four and 5. Bring your leg between your hands Now raise your arm up and look up. Now we do lizard pose. Drop your elbow down. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now relax. The calm